Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 29th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the Euro Yen, my bias is definitely still down because the daily did break down. The daily did make an engulfing down and a break of structure, so my bias is for sure still down. This is an extremely sideways market, and for me personally, when I see a sideways market like this, I just don't trade it, even though at some point it probably is going to break out in a big way. I would expect to see another leg down somewhat equal to this leg. It looks like we potentially already have three waves up, but then it looks like impulsive down, three waves up again, impulsive down, and then just completely sideways. So maybe it will go up and do a little bit of a liquidity grab before it actually does make that next leg down. But I do think that we are due for another leg down before we continue the higher weekly time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.